దేవావూచు దేవావూచు క్షమస్వ భగవత్యంబ క్షమాశీలే పరాత్పరే శుద్ధ సత్వస్వరూపే చ కోపాది పరివర్జితే ఉపమే సర్వసాధ్వీనాం దేవీనాం దేవపూజితే త్వయానీనా జగత్సర్వం మృతతుల్యం చ నిష్ఫలం సర్వసంమృత్వరూపాత్వం సర్వేషాం సర్వరూపిణి రాసేశ్వర్యధీ దేవీ త్వం త్వత్కలాః సర్వయోషితాః కైలాసే పార్వతీ త్వం చక్షీరోదే సింధుకన్యక స్వర్గే చ మహాలక్ష్మీస్త్వం మత్స్యమలక్ష్మీ చ భూతలే వైకుంఠే చ మహాలక్ష్మీ దేవదేవి సరస్వతీ గంగా చ తులసీ చ త్వం సావిత్రీ బ్రహ్మలోకత్ కృష్ణ ప్రాణాదిదేవీ త్వం గోలోకే రాధికా స్వయం రాసరాసేశ్వరీ త్వం చ బృందావన వనే వనే కృష్ణ ప్రియా త్వం భాండీరే చంద్ర చందన కాననే విరజా చంపకవనే శతశృంగే చ సుందరీ పద్మావతి పద్మావనే మాలతి మాలతి వనే కుందదంతి కుందవనే సుశీల కేతకి వనే సుశీల కేతకి వనే కుందదంతి కుందవనే కదంబమాలా త్వం దేవి కదంబకాననే పీచ కదంబమాలా త్వం దేవి కదంబకాననే పీచ రాజలక్ష్మీ రాజగేహ గృహలక్ష్మీ గృహే గృహే ఏత్యుక్త్వా దేవతా సర్వా ఏత్యుక్త దేవతా సర్వాః మునయో మనవస్తదా దురదుర్న ద్రుపదన దురదుర్న మృపదన శుష్క కంఠోష్ట తాలూకా ఏతే లక్ష్మీస్తవం పుణ్యం సర్వదేవైః కృతం శుభం యః పఠేత్ ప్రాతరుత్థాయ వై సర్వం లభే ధ్రువం సర్వం న వై సర్వం లసన్ న వై సర్వం లభే ధ్రువం ఇది దేవకృతం శ్రీ లక్ష్మీ స్తోత్రం శుక్రవారదినేన సమర్పయామి దేవకృతం లక్ష్మీ స్తోత్రం సమర్పయామి. All the female entropies, female energies called entropy, sati. Their names on the top explain what is the Lakshmi. Gods are telling they are not different, they are the same entity of energy. Your wife one day can be Durga, one day can be Kali, one day she is like a Saraswati, one day she is like a Lakshmi, one day is like. Every day your wife has a different form, a angry form, worship. And she has a form of educating you, worship. And she is giving you wealth of putra pautra, your children, etc. Love. For every day, in any form your wife is, love. That's the message. Whatever the way the female is, whatever the way your partner is, the wife is, accept it, praise it, look at that form, understand, respond spontaneously, positively. That is the meaning. Kshamasva bhagavathyamba, kshamasva bhagavathyamba, kshamaashile paratpare, kshamaashile paratpare. The first thing, the very first word is, because we in the mess, we do a lot of blunders. Kshamasva, hey. Excuse, sorry, apologies, forgiving. Forgive me, O gods. I did all nonsense. Kshama, kshama, swa, bhagavatyamba. First thing you have to do is apologize to your wife. First thing you do is apologize to your wife. Who has given this? Gods have given this stotra. Not human. No saint, no rishi has given. This is how the gods have given this particular stotra, which is every Friday one particular kind of the stotra. Understand? First thing is apologize. Kshamasva bhagavatyamba amba. Calls mother, Amba, Amba. Singularity, call for singularity. You should be like a child of a mother, and Amma, Amba, like a calf. Not even like a child, like a calf. Calf is spontaneous. He is born and says Amba, and he sucks the milk. Kshamasva bhagavatyamba, kshamaashile. Forgetting, forgiveness is the highest quality. Forgiveness. Paratpare. First is apology, second is forgetting, and third is forgiving. Whose mistake is not the question. First is apology. And second one is forgetting. Third one is forgiving. There is a way to get rid of the karma. Get rid of a line of karma becoming a line drawn on a stone. To avoid it, there is a way to make it. Understand? Kshamasva bhagavatyamba. If you don't do this, there is no point for the reading. The very first sloka begins like this. If you can't apologize, if you can't respect, if you can't forget, don't read further. You are lost soul. No one can help you. No one in the world can help you. First. Understand? And when Guru tries to forget and forgive, don't think again he is behind you, he is lenient, he is a weakness for you. Understand? It is that quality of the Guru. He knows He apologizes or he doesn't, there is no need, but if you are a fool, he will apologize. If a guru at all apologizing to the student means the student is a stupid, arrogant, fanatic, and still you will apology rendering to the student. A guru does the three different. To whom guru does apology? A stupid and ignorant and arrogant student, but she has some other qualities. He has a potential. Then guru apologizes because he is a naughty fellow. He is conditional. Guru gives chance 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. Like Krishna has given his cousin, 1,000 times he has given chance to rectify. A guru gives the chance. And guru forgets. That is his quality, forgets and forgives. But the student thinks, he apologized. He said he won't come again. Again, Again he is messaging, again he is talking to me, again he is calling me. Oh, he needs me, without me he won't work. Stupid students understand like this. They can't understand the quality of a yogi, which you have to learn. That's how your ego is, your stupidity is at the peak level. Understand? Kshamasva, kshamasva, bhagavatyamba, kshamashile, paratpare, shuddha sattva svarupe, gopadi parivarjite, hatred, anger, leave it. A stupid student, going for cleaning to the lake, gets annoyed by the lake, gets annoyed by the waters of the lake, and stops cleaning his ass, and goes back into the town, everyone looking at him. Arey, why you did not wash your ass? He tells you, no, I hate that lake, I hate that water. People look at him. Wherever he goes, stink is there. Hey, why stink is still carrying? You know that lake? I don't like it. That water, I don't like it. That's why I stopped cleaning my ass. Stink. Fool. Kopadi parivarjite shuddha sattva svarupe. If I go on explaining these words, it is runs. That's why spirituality is an ocean, my dear. A person with the wisdom, and he knows each word, what does it mean. When you don't practice in traditional systems and traditional teachers, the very meanings entirely different. Hey, you go to the Lakshmi and say, Kshamaswa, excuse me, and you will get your wealth back. That's simple. It is not about that. It is not about preaching. It is about practicing. He is telling how you have to be. And it is gods are telling us how to mend our ways. And yet we don't learn.